one more thing I want to share with you guys. Now, what I do to all my, it doesn't matter if it's a gear, it doesn't matter if it's something apart for the engine. What I do is I'll go over the whole assembly and I'll look for little burrs or rough edges, rough casting, and I'll go through it and I'll make sure all the surfaces where they meet the machine it doesn't have any burrs or high spots. So I'll get a fine file. It has to be fine. You don't want to remove material, but you just want to get the high spots, the high burrs. I'll even do the sides here, even where the bearing goes. And before I put it all together, I will address the teeth on here, on the ring gear, and I will address the teeth on the pinion that's still in the differential. I will go over the edges of the gear to remove any burrs or sharp corners. And I'll do that to all the edges here. And I will do that to the pinion as well. Okay, those sharp corners. Okay, let me see if I can focus now. The reason why I do that is because of the shear. All right, that'll help the fluid last longer, having a rounded corner, and it won't shear the fluid as badly. And plus, if there is a high spot, it'll get rid of it. You don't want to resurface it. You just want to cut the edges a little bit. Just get that sharp edge going.